The second problem is we want to find the total working hours of each employee. Now we're going to just do this little math here. We're going to use the latest minus the earliest. And we want to make sure the time is this format. Because right now it's text, we want to make it a number. Now I'm going to type 1. And I'm going to make it just to the time. So right now, it's 9 hours. This is the total hours of this work. Now we're going to highlight whoever did not work 9 hours a day. Of course, you can change to make your hours to be 8 or 7. It's really up to what your working hours is. We're going to do conditional formatting. Cell value is less than, so we are going to actually make it this. Whoever is less than 0.375, that would be, make it this color. Okay, this is ours. So why is 0.375? That is 9 hours divided by 24 hours. So that is why this 0.375. Just you cannot let the set value less than 9. It's not going to highlight for you because this is time. Okay, so it's really an easy way to show whoever did not make enough working hours. If you want to have a better visualization, we can add a table. Now we're going to insert another pivot table. And we're going to just make it this. And you can definitely put your table into a new tab. Here, I just want to make it, let me give some room here. And I want to make sure the hard code is columns. I want to have the day here. Now I'm showing my total hours. So here, I'm going to show my value. You can use conditional formatting. Set your room manually here. You probably only want to know whoever cell value is less than, like I said, 0.375. You want to make it at this color. This is what it looks like, right? And also, if you really want to know whoever working long hours, you can add one more rule and new rules. And you can make the cell value. Okay, that is greater than 0.375. You can make it green. You can change the time. If you greater than, I will make it this one. All right, so this is our two colors. And you would easily know who work long hours. But what if you don't really want to show everyone green? Maybe you just want to talk with someone that why they work long hours every day. Maybe 9 hours is normal or 10 hours is even normal. But 11 hours may be a little bit too long, right? So what 11 hours is 24? That is 0.45. Okay, you can even change your rule. You just want to make sure to be 45. Okay, let's do that. So the white ones, you don't need to pay attention. Then for these ones, so for these two, it seems like a long hour. Of course, this is just an example to show you what you can see from your data in an easy way. So this is not real. When I generate the Python data, I particularly consider some random situation that would for us to pay attention. So anyway, for this one, I don't need a total. Okay, let's clean. Now we solved our second problem.